Father Principal, I present unto you the candidates in person of Department of Tamil who have been certified by after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degrees of Bharatidasan University. Mangani M, Nitya K, Nitya Vilva Priya, Vinodini, Deebalakshmi, Adavan, Sharmila, Sivasakti, Divakar, Bhaskal Mary, Ranchana, Janaki Raman, Ganesha Murthy, Bala Murugan, Anandi, Malar Kodi, Sasi Fernando, Adil Amar, Baby, Bhuvaneswari, Devendran, Navin Kumar, Karthikeyan, Kausik, Yoga Priya, Diloti, Sugandhi, Prashant, Kausik, Kirtana, Kalai Chelvi, Suresh, Rahul Dravid, Jeeva, Jacinda, Gunasakti, Thirumurugan, Shalini, Divya Lakshmi, Navin, Karthik, Revati, Anthony Prabhu, Madhu Milan, Madhu Balan, Francis Benito. Thank you.
Father Principal, I present unto you the candidates in person of the Department of BVolk Software Development and System Administration who have been certified by after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degrees of Bharatidasan University. Yuvraj, Kamalakannan, Gokulnath, Kannadasan, Cecil Joseph, Sivasubramaniam, Thirumalai Sami, Saravanan, Anson Leone, Arul Vinci Mary, Kunasegaran, Epsi Rufina, Kesavan, Sri Vignesh, Kishore Kumar, Balaji, Mogesh, Arul Das, James Ajit Kumar. Thank you.
Father Principal, I present unto you the candidates in person of BVOC Visual Communication Technology who have been certified by after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degrees of Bharathasan University. N.S. Tony Milton J, Yogeshwaran J, Vishnupriyan R, Ajay Kumar G, Vasantapriyan A, Tarun Raj S, Robinson J, Johnson A, Akram Ahmad A, Kishore S, Subin Anthony M, Naresh Kumar G, Vijayamani R, Jerin Manto Leslie J, Santosh B, Anush C, Ruben F, Hariharan L, Vinod Kumar R, Jackrit D, Prashant P, Kirtana K. Thank you.
Dear graduates, as you have the alumni meeting after the graduation ceremony, kindly wait for instructions from the MC desk regarding the venues as to where you have to meet your professors. I repeat, dear graduates, as you have the alumni meeting after the graduation ceremony, kindly wait for instructions from the MC desk regarding the venues as to where you have to meet your professors.
For Principal, I present unto you the candidates in person of Computer Science who have been certified by after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degree of Bharathasan University. Master of Philosophy in Computer Science, Aishwarya T, Prashina P, Prithvi Jerlin Hilda A, Merla Agnes Mary M, Telagavati T, Ramya S, Priyanka T, Sugandha D, Sindhu V. Master of Computer Applications, Naveen Kumar S.J., Zevi Judith Shamili A, Anthony Juliet A, Agashi Christopher J, Bhaskar A, Arul Sebastian A, Jude Harris A.R., Rashal Raj K, Celestine Joseph A, Abraham Samuel F, Anthony Prakash S, Reni Priyadarshini S, John Joshua V, Robinson V, Tamilvanan L, Andrew Rosen J, Savio Tamil Chelvan L, Jerina Mary J, Mano Vigneshwari R, Joyson G, Maria Janice J, William V, Swarnambihai M, Dharmaraj B, Maheshwari R, Josephine Monica X, Vijaya Raghavan K A, Suryalakshmi K, Meena B, Alex D, Divya B, Satish Kumar S, Joe Anthony S, John David Ajay, Aravind B, Raja Kannan A, Sharmila T, Satya Seelan S, Darwin Lourd Regan S, Robin Raj A, Jennifer Teresa A, Akshaya A, Gerald A, Sudhagar H, Nityanandam S, Berlin S, Kirtana G, Manimoli T, Ramachandran S, Venkata Krishnan S, Saumya V, Amalan Rafael M, Krishnarajan S, Satyapriya R, Hari Prasad S. BSc Computer Science, Hari Prasad R, Brito Andrews I, Anthony Akkad J, Gerald F, Vimal Sebastian A, Shaji Rivaldo JB, Shanmugaraj T, Lakshay Stephen Samuel R, Arul Dominic D, Renald M, Joel Alex L, Anthony Sweden S, Leo Raymond A, Anthony Bosco R, Gerald Miller A, Basil Raja R P, Ragul K A, Geno I, Alvin Rosario A, Gobi Krishna V, Bharat A, Nicola Rex M, Kevin Adam A. Francis Geno Milton P. Arpuda Dilip S. Daniel Sudan Raj S. Arun Andrews R. Asogan S. Sridhar J. Albert Christie J. Selva Prakash A. Manoj K.S. John Richard J. Aravind T. Dinesh Kumaran T. Hari Ganesh G. Maria Robert Fernando M. Sri Krishna Nijandan Ajit Kumar George Prasad V. Surender A. Arokya Jagan Leo S. Babu R. Guru Prasad R. Ajit Kumar M. Naveen V. Unit Remington S. Sabarish R.K. Arun Kumar K. Arun Prakash V. Santosh R.R. Infant Justin Rufus S. John Benedict Sam S. Jeevanandam V. Rahul G. Ramakrishnan R. Adams Kaiser J. Nirmal Y. Robin Kumar R.S. Vijaya Saradi S. Ricky Roy M. Elias Allen S. Arnish Babiana Ryan P. Madan C. Dominic Fernandez A. Gautam V. Vimal J. Manoj K. Isaac Prabhakaran S.A. Leander Mario Nirmal A. Karthik Kannadasan V. Benedict J. Yugendra Kumar S. Balaji P. Madhavan P. Kishore M. Agino McQueen V. Ramakrishnan B. Sanjay B. Nishat A. Praveen Kumar B. Brito Ruben J. Martin Nova V. Arulanandu A. Arokya Raj E. Mugundan M. Gopalnathan J.K. Vijay P. Franklin S. Purshot B. Ajay Thomas S. Harish J. Jaydev R. Amarnath R. Karthik V.A. Avinash S. Vinod R. Sakhayaraj I. Praveen V. Ganesh S. Madan Kumar S.K. Chandru D. Susan Patrick Wilson A. Vasant K. Anbu Selvam M. Kishore Kumar E. Surya S. Jeffrey Roy A.J. James Rahul V. Felix Karan Das Kyokshan T. Rajadurai N. Joy Jacob L. Radhakrishnan B. Gopalnath H. Santosh Raj P. Madheshwaran R. Akash R. Guru Bhagaran K. Karthikeyan K. Tamil Chelvan R.S. Divya Prakash S. Hariharan B. Ashwant S. Hariharan N. Velavaraj B.
Dear graduates, we request you to remain silent.
For our principal, I present unto you the candidates in person of the Master of Business Administration who have been certified by, after examination, to be truly qualified to receive the degrees of Bharadasan University. Prithvi Kumar, yes. Dinesh VJP, Sujalin, yes. Felix Anto P, Boston Raja A, Micheline Mercy Priya M, Janani R, Arul David A, Infant Franklin, yes. Vilavarasan Sridhar, Mageshwari, yes. Praveen Kumar L, Infant A Jasmine, Binu D, Anto August White A, George Irveraj L, Prince Pius D, Matthew Boston J, Daslim Banu K, Anbarasan F, Tendral Priya yes, Angel yes, George Agnal yes, Kovin J, Augustine Rishwant A, Nitya V, Jermila yes, Dennis Arokiraj C, Steffi Moses A, Bruno Abhilash A, Jennifer Maria Priscilla A.J., Vinita P., Brian Eldin J., Flamin Angel S., Karthik S., Susan Pauline W., Saudiswaran L., Surendra T., Selvakumaran R., Charles Anthony A., Vijay Anand J., Logesh Raj K., Shilba Maria Matthew, Rajan A., Abhimanyu S. Pillai, Kingsley Yovan A., Jeffrey Richard G., Ranjit Valan J., Reuben A., Shiva Shankari S., Priya Darshini P., Abhinesh R., Sugumar M., Jones Velananni A., Sherin Shamli J., Joycina K.J., Anto Dominic Nathan A., Balaji P., Anto Saranand S., Merin Sophia S., Punya Varda B., Josh Mercy Anita S., Anubhav Venkatesh N., Bernadette T., Stephen J., Stormy A., Patrick Gio Alex A., Karthikeyan M., Arul Raja A., Rajavel A., Mary Jenny Priya A., Jonatha Renu G., John Felix A.J., Bhujaharan M.S., Bharati P., Satyan Leslie A., Siddharth A., Gabu B.B., Sharmila Tony J., Claudius P., Richards R., Adeline Lydia P., Jude Philip L., Jesslyn Tanya J., Stanley Winston M., Rennie Ernest Mary J., Abhinaya B.J., Aruna Aldrich S., Gerald Reagan B., Daniel Anthony J., Derek Leon I., Ajit Joseph Serin X., Jerome Prakash N., Pradeep Ratinam S., Surya Prakash B., Mithun Raja I.A., Soumya A., Arun Kumar A., Bharat S., Sivabalan A., Nivedita S., Aravind V. Karayatu, Pravin Rai M., Soundarya L., Priyanka T., Rachel Jennifer S., Monique Princey A., Rinaldo S., Princey A. Thank you.
Father Principal, I present unto you the candidates in person of the commerce who have been certified by after examination to be duly qualified to receive the degrees of Bharathidasan University. Master of Commerce, Baujia Bano, Fatima Julie, Yuvaraj, Raja, Neville Barros, Mary Veronica, Vanilla, Emmanuel, Christopher Anand, Victor Lawrence, John Franklin, Arul Maria Faustina, Pradeep Prakash, Ratna Robin, Arukya Stephen, Amaline Leol Mary, Karunanidhi, Priya, Mary Sarita, Janani, Nityan Ramal, Jnanendran, Ananda Krishnan, Niveda, Silambarasan, Bachelor of Commerce, Valan, Indo John Benny, Prince Leo Alex, Stephen, Vignesh, Ashwin Rajan, Hari Prasad, John Christopher, Siva Bharat, Raj Kiran, Dinesh Kumar, Krishnan, Thambi Durai, Xavier, Rajashekar, Durai Murugan, Manish, Hariharan, Vijay Raghavan, Sujit Kavian, Felix Romeo, Anish Kumar, Chandran, Vikram Vishal, Naveen Jacob, Angus Damian, Gokulan, Raghunathan, Monik Vikas, Sam Joshua, Chandra Mauli, Anthony Renish, Paul, Vignesan, Karthigeyan, Hariharan, Tarun, Amala Robinson, Anand, Sabarinathan, Saravanan, Karthigeyan, Manoj, Kishore, Bharat Gautam, Tanish Iresha, Bala Nitish, Biskin Joy Edition, Hamilton, Titus Kingsley, Vibin Basco, Deepak Anthony, Raghu, Benedict Xavier, Ratish, Karthik, Amala Ashwin, Michael Arnold, Sivakumar, Dharmaraj, Relton Gratius, Satish Kumar, Tirunavukarasu, Peter, Srivas, Bhubesh Sabari, Derek Maria Kevin, Infant Matthew, Raven Giant, Lawson Amalraj, Bharat J. Kant, Daniel Ebi, Justin Akash, Jano Valan, Abraham Ebinson, Naveen, Henry Anand, Satyanathan, Hari Prasant, Vishal, Kalai Chelvan, Bharati, Arokya Amal, Naveen, Amarnath, Vigneshwaran, Kamalishwaran, Karthikeyan, Hariharan, Murthy Ramanan, Shankar, Vignesh, Kannan, Sarveshwaran, Arvind, Magesh, Vayaburi, Venkata Shakti Ayyanar, Anand, Sriram, Vigneshwar, Gideon Vijay Kumar, Dio Gladin, Naveen Raghavan Babu, Deepak, Daniel, Jagan, Panditurai, Divin Kumar, Sudhakar, Anthony Joraj, Mani Guru Prasant, Chandra Mohan, Infant Raj, Aravind Prabhakar, Kirti Narayanan, Joseph Anthony, Gobala Krishnan, Arul Clinton, Noel George, Jacob Raja, Ajit, Melchius Raja, Raj Khanna, Vignesh, Satish, Purushothaman, Arun, Radul Kumar, Satya Narayanan, Patrick Raj, Kameshwar, George Stephen, Thamodaran, Saran Amirdaraj, Dalvin Anthony, Tony Joe, Harish, Monish, Manoj Kumar, Ashwin Sharma, Gokul, Saktivel, Sudarshan, Ranjit Kumar, Guru Prasad, Tamil Chelvan, Ashwin Kumar, Sudan, Darwin, Gautam, Anand Kumar, Vignesh, Prabhakaran, Arun, Uday Murthy, Muthu Manigandan, Abhishek, Mithun, Durai Dinesh, Dominic Savio, Leo Edward Raj, Alagappan, Arokya Ronald, Vignesh Kumar, Krishnan, Manoj Prabhakaran, Raj Kumar, Renald Francis, Muhammad Abdul Azim, Francis Sanjay, Ramadas, Ricky Raymond, Sahaya Benedict, Abhishek, Abhilash, Syed Abdul Jamil, Nick Vishal, Nadarajan, Ivan Samuel. Thank you.
Dear graduates, you are asked not to remove your gowns until the pledge is made. I repeat, you are asked not to remove your gowns until the pledge is made.
Father Principal, I present unto you the candidates in person who have been certified to receive the degrees of Bharathidasan University. Tirunavukarasu, Preeti Vinci, Karthik, Ajay Kumar, Vishnuvardhan, Priya, Ajit Kumar, Mary Shiba, John Martin, Raksha, Karthikeyan, Surendran, Srinivasan, Ajay, Gunasilia, Eli, Niveta, and Shamim Banu.
Dear graduates, kindly stand up for the oath. Kindly repeat after me. We shall, in thought, word and deed, ever endeavor to be scrupulously honest in the discharge of our duties in our profession, and shall uphold the dignity and integrity of our profession and the honor of Bharatidasan University. We shall uphold and advance social order and the well-being of our fellow members, and shall devote all our energy to promote unity, integrity, and the secular ideals of our country. Please be seated. Dear new graduates of St. Joseph's College, I congratulate you on this happy occasion and thank you for having been with us for the past few years. I appeal to you to share with others what you have acquired here in St. Joseph's College. Let your light shine through your hard work, integrity, love, and concern for others. I wish you success and happiness in life. Now, I dissolve this graduation ceremony. I request you to stand up for the national anthem.
Dear